Hello students, Namaste and welcome. This is Vipin Sharma. Welcome you on behalf of oliveboard. Welcome to the oliveboard family. I hope you are great and you are preparing for your exam in a very well manner. So after the vacations of Diwali, we are come back and we are going to discuss another set of winner series. So without wasting time, let's move ahead. Before starting, I would like to say this is the batch which is started today only, right? So if you are preparing for the tier 2 exam and you want to secure your seat and you want to gain confidence, so this is the course for you. I personally suggest you just go and check out this batch. 40 days MCQ sources, right? So through this batch you can revise your complete syllabus chapter wise in nutshell or thoroughly, right? So in this batch you will get 1500 plus MCQs. Here we go. First question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please, everyone requested participate in the chat, right? Just answer your comment, answer your in the comment box. Yes, tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying on selling rice for rupees 45 per kg, a shopkeeper bears loss of 20%. Means a shopkeeper is getting 20% loss selling rice for 45 per kg. To earn a profit of 20%, the selling price should be. What should be the selling price to earn a profit of 20%? See, if a shopkeeper is selling an article at 20% loss, it means he is selling at 80%. So we can say that 80% is equal to how much? 45. So we can say that 45. What is the value of 1%? 45 divided by 80 into. Now we have to calculate the selling price at 20% profit. So 20% profit selling price would be 120, right? See how we are doing this. A shopkeeper is selling at 20% loss. It means he is charging 80%. Actually, he is charging what? 45 rupees. So we can say that 80% is equal to 45. What is the value for 1%? So we can say that it is equal to 45 divided by 80. Now we have to calculate selling price at which he is getting 20% profit. Means we have to calculate the value for 120%. If the value for 1% is equal to this, then what is the value of 120%? So simply using unitary rule, 45 divided by 80 into 120, right? So how we are getting this structure? I think this is clear now. So in one line we can solve this, right? So by 20 or we can say by 40, this is 2 times and this is 3 times, right? So this is equal to how much? So we can say that by 2 this is 22.5. So 22 into 3, this is 66 and 1.5. So 67.5 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, 67.50 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, yes, Vasant, you are right. A part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, this question belongs to trigonometry section and this question based on a simple condition, right? Condition is given in the question already. So we must know, or I hope maximum of you already know that if A plus B, here A plus B, A and B are the angle, right? A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So in that case, we can say that sine A is equal to cos B and tan A is equal to cot B and sec A is equal to cosec B, right? So this is the case if A plus B is equal to 90. So this is the case, right? Yes. So we can say that if A plus B is equal to 90 degree, if cos B, see cos B is equal to 130. So we can say that cos B must be equal to sin A, right? cos B must be equal to sin A because of given condition, right? So we can say that cos B is equal to 1/3. So we can say that sin A would also equal to 1/3. So 1/3 is the right answer because question is asking for sin A. So we can say that C part is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. So if we know this condition, we can easily answer this question. Otherwise, we would go by the triangle, right? Triplets approach, right? So according to triplets, if we don't know the condition, right? Suppose we don't know the condition, so we are going to take the triangle, right? Just take a triangle. So this is the right angle triangle, or we can say that see A plus B is 90. So C vertex is already 90. So we can take A here and B here, and we know that cos B represent always what? Base upon hypotenuse, right? So we can say that base is 1 and hypotenuse is 3, right? Now the question is asking sin A. For sin A, so this angle, this is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse, or we know that the sin A is equal to what? Perpendicular, that is BC upon AB, right? So we can say that 1/3 is the right answer. If we don't know this property, so we can also solve this question just by using right angle triangle, right? Just by using triplet concept, right? So using the right angle triangle, we can also solve this question, right? So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. X square is equal to 25 square minus 15 square, then find the value of x. So again, this is very simple question. So we can say that x square is equal to how much? 25 square. So a square minus b square. So we can say that 25 plus 15 into 25 minus 15, right? So directly we can say that x is equal to root 40 into 10, right? So 400, x is equal to 20, right? X is equal to 20. Actually the answer must be plus minus 20, but all values are plus. So we can say that C part is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes, everyone requested, please comment and share and like the session, right? Please share and like the session as well. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying if on a sale there is a 30% discount, right? So normally on a sale 30% discount is given on MRP. If 30% discount is given on MRP, so the MRP is 2500, right? It means selling price is 70% of this directly, right? Minus 3% means 70% of this. So what would be the 70% of this? So this must be equal to 1750, right? 70% of this. So we can say that 2500 minus 30% of this is how much, right? Or 70%. So we can calculate it. So we can say that after just giving discount of 30%, the selling price must be 1750. But the selling price is now, what is the actual selling price? The actual selling price is 1400. It means the purchaser, or we can say the buyer, has received another discount, right? So how much discount he have received? So he have received additional discount of how much? 1750 minus 1400. So we can say that he has received discount of 350, right? So what additional discount? So additional discount is 350 on rupees 1750, right? Into 100. So we can say that by 0 0 and by this is cancelled 2 times, right? So we can say that he has received additional 20% discount, right? So additional 20% discount has been given to the buyer, right? Okay, so buyer has received additional 20%, or we can say customer received additional 20% discount on the given discount of 30%, right? So I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, please. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying by selling 33 meter cloths, a person gains cost price of 11 meter cloths, right? Find the gain percent. See, when the CP or SP is given, or we can say profit or loss given in terms of CP and SP. See, when profit percentage or loss percentage is given in terms of CP and SP, so we consider, so now the gain is cost price of 11 articles. So now we can let CP of 1 meter cloth is rupees 1. So we can say that the profit will be equal to cost price of 11 meter. So we can say that profit is equal to 11 rupees, right? So what is the cost price? Because 33 meter cloth is being sold, right? So cost price for 1 meter cloth is 1. So cost price for 33 meter, right? So it would be 33, right? So we can say that profit percentage is equal to how much? 11 divided by 33 into 100. So we can say that 33.33% is the right answer. So this is the direct approach. If we have to calculate step by step conceptually, so we can say that we know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, right? So now the gain or profit is equal to 11 meter CP. So we can say that 11 meter CP, right, is equal to 33 meter SP minus 33 meter CP, right? So taking CP term to the same side, right? So this would be equal to 44 meter cost price is equal to 33 meter selling price, right? So we can say that cost price upon selling price of 1 meter, right? 1 meter cost price and selling price would be equal to 33 by 44, right? So what would be the profit? So profit would be equal to 11, right? So we can say that profit percent is equal to 11 divided by 33. So this is the basic concept, right? So this is the basic concept and this is the smart approach, right? So you can do this question by both way, right? Good evening, good evening. Good evening, Prakhar. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Everyone, please tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes. See, in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is 4 cm longer than the perpendicular, which is 4 cm longer than the base. Calculate the length of the hypotenuse. See, in a right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle, right? So the question is saying the hypotenuse is 4 cm longer than the perpendicular, and which is perpendicular is 4 cm longer than the base. If base is equal to x, right? If base is equal to x, so in that case perpendicular is equal to how much? X plus 4, and hypotenuse is 4 cm more than perpendicular. So x plus 4 plus 4, x plus 8, right? So according to Pythagoras, we can say that x plus 8 square, we know that h square is equal to p square plus b square. Yes, so we can say that x plus 8 whole square must be equal to x plus 4 whole square plus x square, right? Yes, so after opening this we will get x square plus 64 plus 16x is equal to how much? x square plus 16 plus 8x plus x square, right? So by x square, 1x square is cancelled, right? So we can say that taking these terms to the left side, so we can say that 64 minus 16, right? So this is equal to how much? 48, right? Yes, 48 plus 8x must be equal to x square, right? So calculate the length of the hypotenuse, right? So we have to calculate the length for the hypotenuse. So could you tell me what can be the value for x? Otherwise just make it the quadratic equation, right? So x square minus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation, right? Yes, please. So here we can say that x square minus 12x plus 4x. 12 4s are 48, right? Yes. So we can x common, x minus 12 plus 4 x minus 12, right? So we can say that after solving, x is equal to 12 and minus 4. So not taking negative value, right? So x is equal to is 12. Then what is the value of our hypotenuse? Is equal to x plus 8, right? So x plus 8. So we can say that 12 plus 8. So this is equal to 20, right? So 20 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes, C part is the right answer. And if you remember the triplet, you can also solve this by using triplet. We know that there is a triplet of what? 12, 16 and 20, right? 12, 16 and 20. See, everyone know there is a triplet 3, 4, 5, right? So if we take 4 times of this triplet, so we will get 12, 16 and 20, right? So this triplet is following the given condition in the question, right? The perpendicular is 4 centimeter longer than the base and hypotenuse is 4 centimeter than the perpendicular, right? Yes. If we can catch it directly from the triplet, we can do it. Otherwise we would have to solve like this, right? So moving to next question, tell me what is the right answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the question is saying, what is the ratio of radius of incircle and circumcircle for an equilateral triangle with an area of 22 root 3 square units? See, if we have to calculate the, or we have to calculate the ratio of inradius and circumradius, right? So there is no need to of using this given data, right? So tell me what is the inradius or circumradius formula, right? See, this is the equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, right? All sides are equal. So we can say that this is the circumcircle, right? Passing through all vertex, right? And this is the incircle. And we know that the inradius is equal to how much? Side divided by 2 root 3, right? And circumradius is equal to how much? Side divided by root 3, right? So we have to calculate the ratio. See, inradius is taking first, right? So we have to calculate the ratio. So what would be the ratio of this? So we can say that by side, the side would be cancelled, root 3. So we can say that 1 by 2 is the right answer, right? So 1 by 2 is the right answer for any dimension, or we can say for all dimension of the equilateral sides, right? In equilateral triangle, the ratio between in radius and circumradius. This is fixed, that is 1:2. 1:2 is the right answer. Yes, 1:2 is the right answer. Good evening ji, good evening. So this is fixed. 1:2 is the right answer. If you can remember, you can remember it, right? Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is asking, calculate the sum of square from 1. So we have to calculate 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus dash 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 plus 9 square, right? So we must know the formula, right? So we have to remember, I think all of you know that, what is the formula of sum of square of n natural number. What is the formula? The formula is n plus 1 bracket 2n plus 1 divided by 6, right? So this is the formula. If we know this formula, we can only solve this question. If we don't know this formula, we are not able to solve this question, right? So we must know this formula, right? So just taking here n is equal to what? 9, right? Starting from 1, so we can say that applying the formula 9 into 9 plus 1 10 into 2n 18 plus 1 19 divided by how much? 6. So by 3, this would be cancelled by 3, this is 2 time and this is, sorry, by 3 this is 3 time and this is 2 time, by 2 this is 5 time. So we can say that 15 into 19, 15 into 19, so how much? So it would be 285, right? So 285 is the right answer. Yes, 285 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes, is this clear? Yes, 285 is the right answer. Yes, you are right, Vinod. 285 is the right answer. Yes. So we must know the formula. So moving to next question, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes. So this is the question which is frequently asked in your exam, right? A thief drives his motorcycle at a speed of X km/h. The policeman started chasing him in a jeep after 4 hours and catches in 4 hours, right? If the average speed of jeep of policeman is 40 km/h, then calculate the speed in km/h for the thief motorcycle. See, the distance traveled by thief and distance traveled by policeman is same, right? But the time taken by both of them is different. See, d is the difference, and we can say that the policeman ran from this place to this place. The thief also ran from this place to this place, right? But thief took 4 plus 4, 8 hours, right? But the policeman, or we can say the jeep of policeman, took only 4 hours. So we can say that if the distance is same, so ratio of time for policeman and thief, right? So this is 4:8. So we can say that ratio of speed, their speed would be equal to 2:1. So we are given the speed of policeman. So we can say that 2 unit is equal to how much? 40 km/h. So how much time? 20 time, right? So we can also say that the speed of motorcycle of the thief is 20 km/h, right? So D daredevil, D part is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil, D part is the right answer. No, this is not recorded class, Vinod. This is live class. This is live class. Hello, right? It is not recorded class. This is live class. Okay. So we can say that D part is the right answer. D is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. D Daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevil is the right answer. Okay, so moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, a map is drawn at a scale. So scale is 2 mm for 500 kilometers, right? 2 millimeter space is representing 500. So how much 1 mm? So we can say that 2 mm is equal to 500 kilometers. So what is the value for 1 mm? So 1 mm space is representing, right, 250 kilometers, right? 500 divided by 2, right? Yes, 500 divided by 2, right? 500 divided by 2, so we can write it 250, right? 250 kilometers. Is this clear? So now tell me the space 3.6 mm is representing, so we can say that 250 into 3.6, right? So ignoring point, taking 10, right? Into, so here we will get how much? 900, right? So 900 kilometers is the right answer. So directly we can say that 1 mm is representing how much? 500 divided by 2 into 3.6. So directly we can calculate it in single line, right? So we can say that by 5 this is 100 time and this is 2 time. So 2 into 4 by 4 this is 9. So we can say that 900 kilometers is represented by the 3.6 mm in a scale of map. Right, yes, 900 is the right answer. Vinod, you are very right. Yes, you are very much correct. That's great. So everyone please like and share the session. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. This question belongs to boat and stream section. See, a man can row his boat at a speed of 4 km per hour, right? So this is the speed of man, and find that the time taken row upstream is double to that taken downstream, right? So we are given the data about the ratio of time, right? So we can say that time taken in up in comparison to down, going and coming to the same distance, right? So the distance is same, so time taken is twice than the down. So we can say that the ratio of speed would be inversely proportional, so it would be equal to 1:2, right? So this is the speed of up and this is the speed of down. So we can calculate the speed for man and boat to water, right? So we know that speed for man when down or up is given, so down plus up divided by 2, right? So this is the direct formula, and down minus up divided by 2, this is the formula for water. So we must know that if we know the speed of down and speed of up, so we can say that the speed of boat and speed of man is given by down minus up, sorry, down plus up divided by 2, and speed of water is given by down minus up divided by 2. So using these formula, so directly we can say that the ratio of speed, right, the ratio of speed of man and water is 3:1, right? So in question the speed of man is 4 km per hour, so we can say that 3 unit is equal to how much? 4 km per hour, right? So what is the value for 1? So value for 1 is equal to 4 by 3. So we can say that 1.3 km per hour is the right answer, right? So B part is the right answer. 1.3 km per hour is the right answer. 1.3, so we can say 1.3, 4 by 3. See, 4 by 3 is the right answer. Yes, 4 by 3 is the right answer. Right? Not 3 by 2. Make it correct. See, 3 unit is equal to 4. So what is the value for 1 unit? 4 by 3, right? So taking actual value in the numerator and unit in denominator, right? So we can say 4 by 3 is the right answer. Yes, 4 by 3 is the right answer. Moving to next question, tell me what is the answer for this question. Calculate the difference between the square of the largest and smallest two-digit prime number. Now tell me which one is the largest prime number of two-digit. So you would say that 97 is the largest two-digit prime number and smallest two-digit prime number is 11, right? So we have to calculate the difference of their square, right? See, what is the square of 97? So this is 3 less than 100. So we can say that square of 3 is how much? 09. 97 minus 3, this is the shortcut, right? So we can say that 97 minus 3. So we can say that 9409, right? Subtracting 121, right? So how much we are getting? 8. 10 minus 2, 8 and 3. So 9288 is the right answer. Very much simple. 9288 is the right answer. 9288 is the right answer. Very, very easy question. So D part is the right answer. Yes. Is this clear? D part is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Yes. Yes, very good. D daredevil is the right answer. So moving to next question, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. Come on, guys. See who is going to answer first. Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying the average weight of 30 student in a class is 25 kg, right? The average weight of 30 students in a class is 25 kg. The average weight of 30 students is how much? 25 kg, right? If the weight of the class teacher is added, it means this would become 30 student plus class teacher, right? So now the average increases by 2. It means the average become 27 kg, right? Yes, plus 2. So we have to calculate the weight of class teacher. See, so directly we can say that, see, class teacher is the part of this group. So take the average of the group, right? So 27 plus how much extra? So 2 into 30. This is the shortcut, right? Plus 2 into 30, right? So we can say that the age of class teacher is equal to 87, right? 87 is the right answer. 87 is the right answer. Or you can use the sum is equal to average into number of observation, right? So the sum of 30 student plus class teacher is given by 27 into 31, and the sum of 30 students is given by 25 into 30, right? So by this you can also calculate the age of class teacher. Yes, 87 is the right answer. Yes, you are right. 87 is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Moving to next question, please tell me what is the answer for this question. That's great. Very good, Vinod. Very good. See, we have to learn the smart approach. Only then we can increase our speed, right? So the student who has increased their speed, who has practiced in well manner, so their chances of selection is more, right? Or we can say they definitely will get the selection, right? So moving to next question. So this question belongs to time and work, right? Manish, Mukesh and Sachin are accountants. Mukesh can file a return in 5 hours, right? Sorry, Manish. See. Mukesh, not Manish. Mukesh can file a return in 5 hours. Mukesh can file a return in 5 hours and Sachin in 4 hours. And Sachin can file it in 4 hours. And all three together means Manish, right? Manish plus Mukesh plus Sachin, they can file together in 2 hours, right? So just taking LCM, so we will get 20 as a total work, right? 20 will be the total work, right? So what is the efficiency? So we can say that efficiency of Mukesh is how much? 4. And efficiency of Sachin is how much? 5. Now tell me what is the efficiency of all together? That is 10. See, the efficiency for Mukesh is 4 and efficiency of Sachin is 5. So we can say that 10 minus 4 minus 5. So the efficiency of Manish is 1 unit. So time taken by Manish is equal to 20 divided by efficiency 1. So we can say that 20 hours is the right answer, right? Again, very easy question. So we can say that 20 hours is the right answer. B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. If 90% of A is equal to 30% of B and B is equal to X% of A, then find the value of X. See, we can say that 90% of A is equal to 30% of B, right? So by 30% this would be cancelled 3 times and this is 1 time. So by this ratio of A's to B will be equal to 1 by 3, right? So from the first statement we got the ratio of A's to B. So just putting this in the second situation, now B is equal to X% of A, right? So in place of A take 1, in place of B take 3. So we can say that 3 is equal to X upon 100 into 1. So we can say that the value for X is equal to 300, right? So value for X is equal to 300. So 300 is the right answer. So simply we can do this problem, right? So simply we can do this. So we can say that 300 is the right answer. Yes, 300, or we can say 300% is the right answer. Yes. So moving to next question. Tell me which of the following fraction is largest, right? When we have to calculate the largest fraction out of the given fraction, so just take each fraction step by step like this, right? 4 by 5, right? And compare 2 fractions at a time and take the largest one. See, so what we are doing the cross multiplication approach. So 5 into 3 15 and 4 into 4 16. So we can say this is the largest or greatest, right? So we are not going to take it, right? Now take 5 upon 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 6. So we can say that 6 4s are 24 and 25, right? So this is the largest. So 5 upon 6 or 7 upon 8, right? So 8 5s are 40 and this is 42. So this is the largest. Or we can say that the difference between numerator and denominator, see, difference between numerator and denominator is same. Difference between numerator and denominator is same. Second approach is difference between numerator and denominator is same, that is 1, right? So we can say that the fraction which is having highest value in numerator, right? So highest value in numerator, 7 by 8 is having the highest value in the numerator when the difference between numerator and denominator in a particular fraction is same, right? Difference between numerator and denominator of each fraction is same. In that case, the largest fraction is the one which is having largest numerator value and the smallest one which is having smallest value in the numerator. So we can say that this is the smallest one and this is the largest one. This is the largest one. So we can say that 7 by 8 is the right answer. D part is the right answer. 7 by 8 is the right answer. Yes. Yes. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, we must know that, or I think everyone know that the wages are paid according to their efficiency or according to their work, right? If you are doing more work, it means you will get more payment. Is this clear? So wage is directly related to the efficiency. Wages or payment are directly related to their efficiency. See, A, B, C are employed to complete a work for rupees, how much? 784. If A and B together completed 23 by 28 portions. See, A and B together completed how much? 23 by 28 portion, right? So this is the total work and this is the work done by A and B, right? So how much work is left? So we can say that 5. So the work done by C is how much? 5 by 28. So C will get for payment. C will get the payment for what work? That done by him only. So C done 5 by 28. So he will get the payment equal to 5 by 28, right? So we can say that C will get how much? 5 by 28 portion of 784, right? So by 28 this is cancelled by 28 because square of 28 is equal to how much? 784. So now the answer is 5 into 28. Tell me what is the answer? So 140 is the right answer. 28 5s are 140, right? So B part is the right answer. Yes. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. 140 is the right answer. Yes, you are right, Vinod. 140 is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes. Yes, please tell me. Yes, please. Which one of the following will divide? So when we have to calculate the number which is going to be divide of this given expression, right? So just take common with the lowest power, right? So we are having power of 3 in each. So we are taking common of the lowest power. So lowest power in the given is 25. So taking 3 to the power 25 as a common. So we will left with 1 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 3, right? So we can say that 325. So 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27, right? So we can say that 325 into how much? 10. So we will get 40, right? So see, 40 as a factor. So we can say that 4 is a factor and 10 is a factor. 3 is also factor. So it can be divisible by, see, it can be divisible by 3, 4, or we can say 3 into 4, 3 into 10. So see, 3 into 10, it is matching, right? So we can say that D part is the right answer. So the given expression will be divisible by 30 only, right? So the given expression will be divisible. No. Multiple of 4, no. We are not having, see, we are having only 1 4. We are not having 2 4, right? 16 square, sorry, if a number is divisible by 16, it must be the multiple of 16, but this is not the multiple of 16 because the common in 3 to the power 5, so all are odd value, right? 4 into 10, or we can say that 8 into 5, right? So we are having only multiple of 8, not 16, so that's why 16 is not correct, right? So only 30 is the correct answer. Only 30 is the correct answer. See, only 30 is the correct answer. Yes. So moving to next question, tell me what is the answer of this question. Two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% of a third number, right? So we can say that first number is 20% and 30% of the third number. So we can say that second number are 20. Sorry, first number are 20, second number is 50, and the third one is how much? 100. Right? The question is saying what percent is first number the second. So what percent is the first number of the second? So we can say that first divided by second into 100. 20 divided by 50 into 100. So by 50 this is 2 times. We can say that 40% is the right answer. So C, Chennai Express is the right answer. C, Chennai Express is the right answer. 40% is the right answer. So this is all for today. If you are preparing for the tier 2 exam, so this is my personally advice. You can check it out, this batch, right? So this batch is already started, and it is started only today, right? So you can go and check this batch. In this batch you will get 1500 plus MCQs, and this batch is for revision plus practice purpose, right? So through this batch you can completely or thoroughly you can revise the syllabus in nutshell, right? So within time span you can thoroughly revise your complete syllabus, or you can attempt some good questions, right? So this is good batch for you. And this is the, if you have not downloaded the app, please download the app so that you can get maximum benefit. You can get the information at the right time. Okay, you can also avail the free classes notification. So here is the WhatsApp number. If you have any kind of query, you can send your query through the WhatsApp message, or you can also join our oliveboard Telegram channel, right? So that you can get all information timely. So this is all for today. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Thank you for your patience, or see you or catch me at 5 PM on daily basis. I come live at 5 or sharp 5 on daily basis and discuss different questions. So be with me. Thank you guys, thank you very much. See you in the next session.